Good day to you, sir and madam. My name is Madeline Bularaco Calabos, Filipino. I'm 37 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, 11 years old and 4 years old. My religion is Christian, and I'm a high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore and Philippines. My duties and my responsibilities are cleaning the house, car washing, marketing, cooking, just like chicken rice, steamed fish, and I love taking care of the baby, giving the milk on time, and change the diaper necessary, and give the vitamins and medicine based on the doctor prescription. And I love the baby as my own child. And to my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise to you that I will do my duties and my responsibilities, and I'm hardworking, honest, and loyal. And I promise to you, sir, madam, I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.